Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word segregate. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The school district's decision to segregate students by gender was met with backlash from parents and students alike. Segregate means to separate or divide based on a specific characteristic such as race, gender, or class, often resulting in unequal treatment or isolation. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.